Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Every time you upload a photo, share a PDF or send a document, you are leaking data you never intended to share. And it's called EXIF metadata, and it's a massive privacy blind spot. Your phone logs your exact GPS location, device serial number, and the precise second the file was created. If you post that file online, anyone can download it and extract your routine. So today we make those files completely invisible. Okay, so to fix this, we aren't going to be using sketchy online web converters that just steal your data anyway. We're using a completely local open source tool called ExifCleaner. It's free, cross-platform, and runs entirely offline. No data ever leaves your machine. So I will leave a link to it down in the description below, and you can get it on GitHub. So once you've downloaded it, then we will continue. Alright, so now it's downloaded, we can open it up, and as you can see the interface is no fluff, just a blank drop zone. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up an image file, and I will use this image. And first I am going to check the properties of the image, and then I will go to details. And then as you can see, we've got GPS data, all the image data is there, the camera type, everything's there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add this to the ExifCleaner. So I will drag the image into here, and then just give it a moment, and it says EXIF before and then EXIF after. So now if we go back to the image and open it up, and then we go to properties, as you can see, none of the data is remaining. It has cleaned it all. You know, there's no settings to tweak, no configuration files to manage. It does what it says on the tin. And that's it. That's all there is to it. You know, you should try and make this a habit. Before you upload an image to a forum or send a resume to a recruiter or share a document, run it through ExifCleaner first. Keep your data local, keep your files clean, and stay invisible. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.